Hello everyone, this is Tim with Discovering the High Life, and I'm back with another FPV video. We are going to fly the DJI Avata, and I did get one new thing. I got the lanyard for the FPV remote. I recommend that. It makes it much easier to fly, and as we talked about before, I've still got these upgraded Master Air Screw 3 blade props on. Really like these, and the bumpers. And again, one of the things I really like about this drone is if you're just getting started in FPV, you don't have to fly in acro mode, or in manual mode is what they call it on this drone. But you don't have to learn how to do that right away, so you can kind of ease into it. So for now, I've been using normal mode and sport mode, which is a bit faster, and really just kind of learning the feel of this drone. And eventually I'll get into acro mode or manual mode, but right now I've just got all the pieces here. I've got one battery with me, one spare. We're just gonna fly off one for the purpose of this video. I did forget my little landing pad, which I would recommend if you like to take off in places like tall grass like I'm in now. But again, one thing that's super easy about this is just fire everything up and it's ready to go. So got the antennas up. Goggles are coming up. Cool. It's going to tell me to check my door, which my door is good. Click OK. And let's take off the lens cap. And then what I like to do to sync these two cameras up is first I'll start recording. Make sure that I am recording. Okay, I'm recording, and then I'll point the cameras at each other and do a snap there. And so now you should be able to hear me on my flight. I'm going to get situated here, readjust the camera. Throttle it up. All right. Here comes some more ducks. Should we try and get in their little group? I don't want them to knock me down. Here they come. So yeah, if you look straight ahead out there, that is Lake Sammamish, like across the freeway. Right now we're at 179 feet and climbing, 200 feet. I'm going to stop it here at about 250 feet. You can legally go 400 feet, but with these little drones, the wind can take them away. So what I want to do while I'm here is take a photo. I don't even know if I can take a photo while I'm taking a video. So anyway, I guess I can't do that. I can't take a photo and a video at the same time. But anyway, that's the freeway over there. I'm going to come back. In my opinion, there's really no need to fly this high with an FPV drone. You totally can, that's up to you. But, a Mavic style drone would be better suited for those kind of high flights. This is more kind of fun for like weaving around through the trees, getting in low, close-up filming. limbs. I'm gonna slow down here. Yeah, I don't want to crash back here. I mean, I have crashed over here before. I just don't want to because it's a lot of pricker bushes back here, and I'm not so worried about the drone getting damaged. It's just like I don't want to have to go digging around back here to find it. Somewhere back in here before I've smacked one of these trees in the past, and it did go flying down. I should put that video up on YouTube. Actually, I'll put that one up. But I've got other crash videos. Make sure you follow along. Go please subscribe to my page. Click like and check out my other crash videos. I'm still learning, so like again, right now, I'm just flying it in, I'm not actually even sure if I'm in manual mode or sport mode right now. I hear more ducks. Where are they at? Oh, they're there. I can't see them anymore. Anyway, I don't want to go any farther that way because I'm going to leave in the park and I'll be heading across the road, which I don't want to do. Just want to stay around this little park for now. These are actually some ponds over here for, like, there's a series of 3 ponds for, like, filtering the water, like runoff water, storm runoff. Sometimes I see deer over here. No deer today. Kind of zipping around back here. There's nobody ever supposed to be back here. This part of the park is closed, so should be fine back here. There's actually like a water creek back here. Where's my battery at? 61%. Okay, so we're still doing fine. Hey, look at that. We still have a little bit of fall colors here. Let's try to go as slowly as we can and check out this tree. And I just kind of like slowly like move sideways around it. There we go. Look at that. So nice. That's what I've been trying to practice, just these nice, smooth, like orbits and moves. That's really pretty. With the sun like gleaming through on the back. You can even kind of like really get close here. Almost like I'm in the tree. But I don't want to go into the tree. So I'm going to come back. Let's go along this river down here. This is kind of cool. This little stream. I got to be careful here, though. I definitely don't want to have one of these sticks or twigs catch my motors, my propellers, and knock me down. Plus, this part of the park is closed, so I'm not even supposed to go back there to retrieve it, technically. Cool. That empties out into the river. There's a bike path on the left of us. My headset keeps spiking orange, which means if it goes to red, I'm going to lose my headset. I've got strong range on the RC itself, but I was starting to kind of lose my headset signal. It's coming back now. We are 325 feet away from where I'm sitting right now, according to the information I'm seeing here. Let's try to go under this bridge carefully and slowly. Let's go slowly. Look at those cool reflections. This is awesome. Now I'm starting to get weak signal again in my headset, like my video signal coming back to me. So I think it's best that I just turn on back around, because I don't want to be flying blind here. This little bridge, this is a bike path here on both sides, left and right. And also this bridge here is part of the bike path. It's nice in this area. You don't have to go on the roads at all. I mean, you might have to cross some streets, but for the most part, you can cross them under these bridges. I'm just gonna go, hopefully we don't lose any signal. Doing good. All right. Successfully made it under the bridge. You can see in one of my videos, I actually hit some, like, one of these small trees coming out of a bridge on a previous video, and luckily it did not knock me down into the water. Is that some kind of wildlife right there? Is that a heron? Or is that just a bird or log? That's just a log. All right. Looks like I'm getting a lot of sun. Look at these trees up here to the left. Kind of cool. Yeah, it is, you know, late November. It's Thanksgiving weekend, to be exact, and we've still got some fall colors here around. I like to try and do one of these slow moves again with the sun kind of peeking through the back. Really slow. Kind of like turning as I go. Pretty cool. I got 29% battery, and I'm 84 feet up, 800 feet away. So I'm going to start coming on back. You don't want to stress out these batteries too much. In fact, I've got this thing set to kick into return to home mode at 25%. So we might see this thing break. It'll kind of break before it goes into return to home mode and give you a warning that it's going. Yep, right now I got a warning that says it's going to go into return to home mode in 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm just going to let it go into return to home mode and see what it does. Right now I just have my hands completely off of it. Okay, well. Forgot that I was holding the GoPro down. Anyway, made it back. Got a little bit of grass in it. So I normally have a landing pad. I would recommend that you get a landing pad I think it's worth getting one of these. If you're just getting into FPV, it's a great way to transition, especially if you're already used to flying like a Mavic style drone. You can kind of fly this in a similar experience, but then you can also get into manual mode or acro mode. And right now I'm practicing on the simulator, so we'll get into that eventually. I haven't tried that yet, just still working on getting used to this one as is. But if you like this video, please give me a like, leave a comment, and check out my other videos, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.